As the humidity increases, undesired skin oiliness, frazzled hair, and excessive perspiration are just some of the things that we need to deal with on a daily basis. To keep your skin from greasing out and maintain a flawless complexion, we've put together some essential tips that you should follow on a daily basis. Now, anyone with acne-prone or oily skin knows that the humidity is not their best friend. More humidity means more water in the air, and when our skin comes in contact with the extra moisture, it feels the need to overcompensate on the oil as well, when it's actually not required. This leads to excess sebum production and oily skin. We tend to break out more in humid weather conditions, and so extra care is needed to prevent acne and skin inflammation before it appears. Keep rinsing your face with cool water once in a while. Keep wet wipes handy when outdoors. Avoid touching your face constantly. This prevents any dirt from getting accumulated on your face, thereby reducing acne. Keep hydrating your face with a facial mist of your choice. You can make one by mixing some rose water and some aloe vera gel. Keep it refrigerated for best results. Use blotting sheets to absorb all excess sebum that your skin may produce. So here are a few tips that you should follow to keep your face from looking oily during this time of the year. If you feel like your oil production is about to go into overdrive, use cleansers with glycolic acid or lactic acid twice a day. These ingredients lift all the dirt and all that excess sebum from your face, leaving your skin squeaky clean. Follow it up with a quick steam session to break down all the leftover dirt from your skin and soften it. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to soothe your skin. Exfoliation is key during this time, especially if you want to get deeper into your pores and cleanse them thoroughly. For best results, scrub your face 2 to 3 times a week. Shield your skin against the harmful environmental factors with a toner. Apply and dab it onto your skin to protect your pores and control sebum production. Ditch those heavy creams and opt for water-based or gel-based formulas as they leave your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. Sunscreens are a must, be it any season. Choose products with an SPF of at least 30 or higher. Use mattifying or gel-based products as they reduce shine along with giving your skin the protection it needs. A soothing mask made up of ground oats, mashed banana, and honey is what your skin needs to keep acne at bay. Apply the mix on your face and rinse it off after 20 minutes. To control excessive oiliness, here's another face mask that you can try. Mix a tablespoon of neem powder, 2 tablespoons of curd, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon sandalwood powder, and a teaspoon of orange peel powder. Apply the mixture and leave it on for 20 minutes. You can use this mask twice a week to keep your skin hydrated as well as those pesky pimples at bay. Everyone desires acne-free, flawless and radiant skin. And so, a good skincare routine should be put before anything else. We hope these tips will help you tackle your skin concerns in this challenging weather. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.